Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to download Telegram videos directly to your phone's gallery. This is a great way to save videos that might not stay in Telegram forever. Open the Telegram app on your mobile device and navigate to the chat or channel containing the video you want to download. Locate the video in the chat. You can either tap on the video to play it or save it directly. To save it from the video player, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the screen and select Save to Photos. If prompted, grant Telegram access to your phone's gallery. The video will then be saved. Alternatively, you can save it directly from the chat without opening the video. Press and hold on the video thumbnail and then tap Save Video from the pop-up menu. Once saved, open your phone's gallery or Photos app and you'll find the video ready to watch offline. Saving Telegram videos to your gallery is super simple and ensures you always have a copy on your phone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, and hit the notification bell to stay updated.